Alright, so here is basically the final version of the random guess a number game that the player will be versus the computer. It's a one-player game. I'm going to run it, and then after that I'm going to go over the listing to explain what it does or how it's doing it. It's a simple basic game, basically. Toggle screen, waits a few seconds, it loads in the main screen, and start guessing numbers. It's got some simple animation in it. Now that's when, if your guess is not within 10 points of the number the computer's thinking of, then you lose that. But if you're within 10 points, then you win points. It's basically a simple game. So that's basically it. Now I'm going to list it to show how it's doing stuff. Let me change the color of the cursor there. Let's see. Okay, so the first line is just clearing the screen. Then number 2, we're setting up the FI string variable to load the title screen, and that's what routine at 2000 is. And then we wait for a couple of seconds. Then we redefine the file name variable, which is FI string, to the robot character. Then we go and load that into the screen, and it loads the color memory map and also the character memory map into the computer. I'll accept the last like 3 lines, and then 10 onward, it's that's the main. It's the initialization of the program, and it's the main loop. And then after that, it's just some setup code. Line 100 through 140 sets up the box that is surrounding the interaction between the player and the computer, and line 2000 through 2260, I'm sorry, between 2000 and 2070 is the memory block loading routine. And I got that. I don't remember exactly where online I got it, but it was written apparently by George somebody, and it was originally written to load graphics, multicolor or high resolution graphics, but by changing the address that it's loading it into, which is on line 2060, I was able to load color and character data instead. So, and that's calling a internal kernel routine that's on the Commodore 16 and +4. Now lines 2200 through 2260 is basically just really simple animation, makes the robot's eyebrows go up and down. So you can see that here in just a second, 2 seconds maybe. Yeah, see, it just went up. So it's basically just, it depends on think I got it like if it's less than 50, then eyebrows down. If it's greater than that, then eyebrows up. Really simple game. Um, Now more complicated and interesting games can be written, of course, in BASIC. Why BASIC? Because it's simple, it's easy to use, easy to understand. Everybody can kind of immediately get into it. Machine language takes a little bit more time and patience if you're going to write anything like large. So basics is just a good, you get an idea, you write it in basic real quick and kind of, then later on if you want to increase the speed or whatever, you can always start either, in certain machine language routines that would speed it up where it needed it, or just write the thing in machine language. There's a lot of people that they'll just start out with machine language and do the whole thing from beginning to end. If I get an idea before I put it in any other language, I will usually use BASIC just to get just to see it exist on the computer, and then if I like the idea, I will speed it up any way I can. And if that's writing it in assembly language, that's fine. But just for basically, programming, a simple game or something, BASIC's fine. So the next video, I'm going to delve a little bit more into the sound and graphics of the Commodore 16 and the Plus 4. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to subscribe, then you know how to do that. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.